Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Girl, today we're gonna be testing two doll beauty products. So I don't want to be talking for a long time. I just want to get straight into the video today. So what am I gonna do? I'm gonna get straight into the video. So, I don't have my lipstick on or anything yet. We're going to finish this look together. We're going to finish my mug together, honey. Okay. So, what did I get? I hear you say. I got the Doll Beauty Gimme Sun in medium. Looks like this in the heart package. Super cute packaging. Again, I always love Doll Beauty packaging. It comes in a little heart with a, oh my god, a plastic thing that is really glued on. That was weird. And it looks like this here. And I also got the Pretty Fly blush by Doll Beauty as well. And the shade that I got is Dollar Day. And first of all, I really like this packaging. Really, really nice packaging. I think this is the new direction that Doll Beauty is, I can't get it out, is going in, because Doll Beauty are having a massive rebrand of all their products at the minute. And this is what the packaging looks like. Really nice high gloss front. This is the back as well. I really love this packaging. So hopefully this is the direction Doll Beauty is going in. They also have the ingredients on the back. And this is what it looks like inside. The only thing I will say is these are quite difficult to open if you have long nails. With this. So again, you do get a mirror inside, which I do like, especially as a lot of blushes either have really small mirrors. This comes with a mirror as well, which is cool. And this is the blush shade. I don't know why I was really attracted to this. I thought on camera that they had on the website, it looked a bit like Orgasm Blush from NARS. So let me just swatch the blush for you and we can see what this looks like. Oof. That is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And let's get into swatching the bronzer. Now the bronzer is nothing new, like they've had the bronzers out for a long time, but I just never got around to getting them. Oh, that's nice. But I thought today I'm halfway through my look, so we would just test these together and see how we're going. Now the prices of the blush I'm going to put here because I can't remember. And the price of the bronzer I'm also going to put here because I cannot remember. I think it's 15. I'm not sure. But I'm going to put the price here so you can know all this. Right off the bat, the packaging is really nice. It doesn't feel that cheap. The bronzer feels cheaper than the blush. This feels high quality. This feels nice, but it's not very heavy. This has some weight to it. But I mean, it's just, I mean, you're not paying a great deal, which is what I love about Doll Beauty. So I'm happy with this. I'm going to go into this bronzer and let's just warm up my face and see how we are going to look. So I'm just going to go in with a dome brush and I'm just going to pick up some of the product on this brush. And I'm just going to warm up my face. See, I wasn't sure whether to get the light or the medium. I'm happy that I actually bought the medium because I actually think the light may have been a bit too light for me. Oh, I really like how this is applying. See, that went on really smooth. That looks so nice. Ooh, do you know what? Doll Beauty is the brand that I am consistently impressed by. Consistently impressed by. And I don't really say that lightly. I mean that genuinely, like consistently impressed by. Now I'm just pop some highlight on and then we're going to get into the blush. I'm obsessed with their Doll Beauty highlighter palette. So let's go into this. You know this is my favorite shade. And this is like a, is it like a diamond? Like a diamond. Yes. This highlighting palette is the best. I already have a review video for this palette. I'll link it above for you to watch so you can check that out if you're interested in seeing that review. And now let's go into this. I'm so excited for this blush. Honestly, the build up for this blush has been crazy. Like I felt the bronzer was gonna be good. Oh, I can't open it. Ugh. But this blush, I'm so excited for. I don't even know why. Like, am I a crazy person? Maybe. Maybe. But I'm just so excited. So I'm going to pick some up with, it's like an angled blush brush. Oh, she powdery. Oh, it looks pretty. Look at that. The thing that I love about Doll Beauty is, oh, that's so nice, is their makeup is pigmented. They've got their makeup is so pigmented. Perfect. I think I really like this. To be honest, girl, I know I was gonna like this. I've seen so many people using this. I've seen the reviews. I've seen their Instagram, and I just thought, yes, this I know I'm gonna love. So I want to get more shades. I want to get more shades of this. I love it. So let's just, I'm going to finish this look off with some lipstick now. So as you're here with me, let's just do it together. I'm going to go in with Too Faced. It's called It's Happening, and it's a very nice bright pink. So let me just put this on. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video reviewing the Doll Beauty bronzer and the Doll Beauty blusher today. It's a quick video. I wanted to get straight into it. If you have any questions about the products, let me know down below. And until next time, stay safe, subscribe, and I will see you all very soon. Bye! Mwah!